Welcome to Research for Career Planning presented by the library. In this video, students will use the library database, Ferguson's Career Guidance Center, to find specific information about a career of personal interest. To do this, the first thing we need to do is log into Atlas. When you're logged into Atlas, you will notice on the My Atlas tab that there is a Libraries box. In this box, there are a lot of resources for you to use that will help you with the library, but we're going to click on the first one, Search the Library, to access the library catalog. When we reach the library catalog, we're going to look at the top red menu and click to where it says Databases A through Z. When you're on the Databases A through Z list, you're going to go to this top menu and click on F for Ferguson. You'll notice it's the first database at the top of the list when you click on F. So we're going to click on Ferguson's Career Guidance Center. Once you've reached this database, there are a few different ways to search for a career of your choice. The first way you can do is search directly in the search bar for your career. The second way is to go to Browse Professions or Research Industries. Let's come into Browse Professions. You'll notice this database offers some featured professions, and then we can click on All Professions. From here, you can search this alphabetical menu at the top. You can search alphabetical order, or you can come over to the side and go to Filters for all industries. And you can choose an industry that your career might be found in. I'm going to choose education. And then I'm going to choose Library and Information Services. Here, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select the one for librarians. This will bring up a professional profile for you to look at. Now, you'll notice there's the title, options to save, share, cite, and read aloud, a video, and an overview that you can read more, some quick facts about the profession, including the median salary, the education level, school subjects, alternative titles, the work environment, locations, experience, duties, outlook, personality traits, skills, certification or licensing, special requirements, career ladder, employment prospects, advancement prospects, and career classification. You can look over to the side at this right menu where you'll see the table of contents, and you can either view the full article or you can click into these headings to search for specific aspects of the job. If you view the full article, you'll notice it still has quick facts at the top, but if you continue scrolling down, you'll see a history, more information about the job, potential earnings, what the work environment is like, an exploration of the job, education and training requirements, certification, licensing, and special requirements, experience, skills, and personality traits, employment prospects, advancement prospects, outlook, unions and associations, tips for entry, and you can learn more at the bottom. If I scroll back to the top, you'll notice related professions, where you can see other professions that are related to the one of your choice, and you see find a job. This Find a Job is pulling these from Indeed. You can search by the title, you can search by city, and you can click on these and it'll bring you, oh, this one's coming from monster.com, and it'll bring you to a job posting where you can see a general summary, what the job functions are, and the required knowledge. This is helpful even if you're in school to help you see what you might need to do to get a job like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped with searching for career planning.